Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to hack FabZero game and get unlimited amount of gold. So to do this, you must go to nutakugoldhack.com page, and as you see you have there a generator which you can use to generate gold. You have there also a tutorial, but if you will follow this video I can guarantee you that you will get gold. So enter your username. My username is nutakuhack. You can choose the games you want to add gold to and get some extra resources, but that's not needed. These two options I would recommend you to set always on. And now we can connect. Now choose the amount of gold. I will choose the maximum amount and click generate button. Now we must wait. And we are now at the verification process. We must verify that we are a human by completing a quiz survey and taking one of the gifts. Of course, it's everything free, so let's do it now. And now select one of the gifts. I will choose, let's say, this one. And we must enter our details. I recommend you to use your real name and real address, because if you put some fake information you cannot get gold to your account. It's free anyway, so and now we must enter our credit card number. And after we put this information, click Get Free Access. And now we can click continue. And as we see, we can now play the game or any other games. But that's all, I think. You can now go back to the Nutaku page, and if you want to see if you got the gold, just refresh the page. So I will do it now. And as you see, I've got the 30,000 of gold, so everything is working fine. If you like this video, this tutorial, please subscribe my channel, write a comment below, and of course like it. See you soon, bye.